Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in which you can upgrade your Canva presentation. So the first two, I'm going to be using the free version of Canva for it. And for the last one, I'm going to be using the paid version. So if you're interested in this, sit back, let's go right into it. So I'll go over to Canva and click on blank video. Then change the background color to black. And go over to elements and click on elements. Then search for circle. Click on circle, then change the color of the circle to the same background color, which is black. Then go over to the solid colors and change the color to something lighter like gray, just like this. Then go over to uploads to get your images. Then the first image, adjust it a bit and take it to the side of the circle, just like this. So just adjust it to the side of the circle. Then get the second image, adjust it as well, reduce the size, and you turn it to minus 90 degrees. Then place it at the top of the circle, just like this. Then go over to get the third image. Then you want to adjust it as well. Then rotate it to minus 180 degrees. Then place it at the other side of the circle, just like this. Then get the fourth image, then adjust it as well. Then you want to rotate it to minus 90 degree and put it below the circle like this. So the next step is to highlight the images and the circle and go over to group it, just like this. Then move them to the side of your background, just like this. Then increase the size of the grouped images. Increase the size, then you move it to a corner of your background. Then the next step is to get in your text. The next step is to click on the first slide below. Then you hit Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate, just like this. Then go over to the new page, zoom out. Then you want to rotate the group images and turn it to the next one, just like this. Then go over to change the text. Then when you're done with that, you do the same thing, repeat the same process, Ctrl D to duplicate. Then you zoom out to get the entire group. Then rotate the image just like this to get the next one. Then you change the text as well. So you repeat the same thing for the last slide. Just go over to rotate it again and change the text as well. So when you're done with that, the next step is to go in between the first two slides, click on it and go over to transitions, then click on match and move, then adjust the duration to 1 second. Then go over to apply between all pages, so you have something like this, guys. So that is how you create this kind of presentation on Canva. So for the next presentation, you go over to upload your images, then adjust it, reduce the size, then upload the next image, reduce the size, make sure it aligns with the first one, just like this. Then the third one as well, the same thing, and then the fourth, like this. Then the next thing is to highlight all four images. Right click, then go over to space evenly, then click on horizontally. So you have this, then highlight again as well. Then you want to group these images, click on group. The next thing is to zoom out like this. Then you want to adjust the images, increase the size of the grouped image and focus on the first one, putting it at the middle of the space, your workspace. Then you have something like this, guys. Then go over to elements, then look for circle, then click on circle, then you move it up and put it at the middle of the workspace above the image, and drag both sides of your circle like this. Then go over to duplicate the circle, then bring it down like this. So the next step is to change the color. So go over to colors, and you want to change the color of this to white as well as the one below. So you have something like this. The next thing is to go over to text, and you want to add in your text like this above and below the image. Then the next step is to click on the first slide and Ctrl D to duplicate it. Then you want to move the image to the next one, so you click on Shift and you move it to the next one. So you edit and change the text, then go back again to Ctrl D to duplicate the slide to the next one. Then you click on Shift and you move to the next image, just like this. So you repeat the same thing, edit your text, Ctrl D again to duplicate, and Shift as well to the next image, just like this, guys. The next step is to go in between the two slides, go to transition, click on match and move, adjust duration to 1 second, then apply between all pages. So you have this presentation on Canva as well. So for the next presentation, you bring in your image, you adjust it to fit the workspace like this. The next step is to go over to elements, and you want to click in and type in circle hole icon, and click on the first one. Then you go over to transparency and you adjust to 80. Then increase the size of the circle, making sure the hole is focused on one of the image. Then go into insert your text, just like this. The one you're done with that, you go over to Ctrl D to duplicate that page. Then you delete the text. Then you move the circle and making sure the whole focuses on the next image. Then insert a text for the new image, just like this. Then repeat the same thing by clicking on Ctrl D to duplicate it, then delete the text as well. Then moving the circle and making sure the whole focuses on another image, just like this. Then insert your text, and this is how it's done, guys. The next step is to go in between the first two slides. Then you want to add in your transition, click on match and move, then adjust the duration to 1 second, then apply between all pages, just like this, and you get this presentation on Canva. Very easy, guys, and very fast. So for more Canva tips and more presentation tips, Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.